in case of regular function, what should be the value of this dot name? So basically, here the concept of regular function and arrow function has come, that these behave differently in case of regular function and arrow function. Okay. So in here, in case of regular function, this, how we are calling this regular function, you can see here we are calling obj dot regular, means whatever is before this dot, so this function will refer to that. So here we are referring to obj. So in case of regular function, it will point to the obj, and inside that obj we are having the name variable. So that's why in regular function it will print the value of name, this dot name, as John. Okay. Now in case of in case of arrow function, like, it does not create its own this, okay, value of this. Actually what it does, it inherits the value from its surrounding scope. And here you can see what is the surrounding scope for this arrow function, that is the global window object. Okay. And in the global window object, the value of this is what? Window object. Correct. So but we are printing here this dot name when we are getting call this arrow function. So we are printing this dot name, but we can see in the global window we don't have any variable with the name. So that's why it will print undefined. Okay. So let's see if our output is correct or not. Let me run this. So yeah, you can see for the regular function, our output is regular John, and for the arrow function, our output is undefined. So I hope you understand this, why it is behaving different, because of this value of this is different in case of regular function and in case of arrow function. Okay, it is simply, if you want to remember it, you can simply say in case of regular function, whatever the value, whatever the like object or anything we have written before the dot, so this function will refer to that only. Okay. And in case of arrow function, it like inherit the value from its surrounding scope. So I hope you like this video, and this is very important question, friends. So